again.
And this time, but he bowled! Took out leg stump. A sensational start. That runs in, bowls down. Oh, another one! Would you believe it? Brown again, now bowls. Oh, that swings, and that has gone through. Another one. Shooting now to complete her second over, and it's cut away nicely by Stellenberg. It's running away very quickly, and that'll be our first boundary. Brown runs up, bowls short, cut away. Oh, that's a diving attempt. But again, bowls this time it's Fuller, and that's smashed away just behind square leg for 4 runs.
Game.
Oh, nicely swept. She's got the gap.
Yeah, lovely
And
sweep
beats the
shot there.
fielders, as you say. They'll look for 2. Oh, they won't need 2. It's gone for 4. Mid on, takes it through, which is a good sign. Oh, got him. Top edge. Fielder at deep square leg. Watches it go over. For the Hurricanes. Edge taken. That's a big blow. That's nicely played. That's in the gap. Running away. That's a welcome boundary and a wonderful way to get off the mark.
Again, it's flighted and beaten. A big appeal, and that is a great catch taken by McFarlane behind the stumps. Good head of steam up. This time it's shorter and wider outside of stump. The big appeal.
Got it. Just the top of the bails. Over the top. She's got a lot of it. She has to go, and she does it well. Tossed up. Got her. Around the leg, she does it. Well, you mentioned Shane Warne. There you go.
I absolutely...
Oh, got her. Top of off stump this time. Upish in the gap. Gets off with a boundary. Again, she finds the same gap, but all along the ground this time. It's running away. Again, third boundary. It's getting better and better. Down the ground this time. This is wonderful batting from Laura Wolvaardt. Short. Edge pass point. That'll run away again. So they're dealing in boundaries. Hammered. Fielder in the deep. Has no chance.
Try on, and this time it's pulled away. It's heaved away. Wide of mid-wicket. 4 more runs to Wolvaardt.
Delivery.
Yeah. Top of off. And that's a good delivery, and that's the wicket they needed. McGrath's gone.
Wides. That's running away. And it runs away. Gets that through. Stellenberg. Here she comes. No luck this time.
The total off this delivery.
Choose the call. They come back for it. Good throw, can have her. No, she's quick. She's quick. Commanding victory. An all-round effort. Very good in the field with the ball. And now with the bat. We've seen 4 batters in.